Hello, everyone, and welcome to today's session. We generally think that we have to achieve this kind of a goal in our life. We have to this kind of a dream in our life, but how that dream come true in our life, or how we live our dream life. So in this, manifestation helps a lot. Manifestation along with affirmations. So today my guest is a manifestation coach. She is helping lots of people to achieve their goal, to achieve their dream life. So I am welcoming Dr. Saroja Anand, who is a manifestation coach. You also saw her. I took an interview as because she is a doctor, she is a dentist, but also serving lots of people in manifestation journey itself. So, hi, Dr. Saroja. Welcome to the session.
Hi, Richa. Thank you so much for inviting me. So it's a very near, very heart-touching topic for me,
Yes.
as it's like a not different from my lifestyle. So it
Mhm.
is very definitely it will help a lot of audience who are watching us live. So we have a lot of things to discuss, and it will give a good insight to the audience, of course.
Yes. So, first of all, Saroja, can you share something about, can you explain what manifestation is actually, so that the person who didn't know about manifestation can get a brief and easy to understand, in a easy to understand language?
So, manifestation is something achieving our desires or goals through certain sort of a thought, the aligning our thoughts, beliefs, and actions.
Mm-hmm.
Something like we are making our wish come true through
Mm-hmm.
our mindset. Simply we can say it like that, like with our own mindset, whatever the thoughts we are having in our mind, what the
Mm-hmm.
belief systems that we built in ourselves, and the actions that we take towards to achieve those goals is
Mm-hmm.
called manifestation.
Okay.
Hmm.
And how you get into manifestation, because you are also working dentist, and
Hmm.
how you move into this field, why you thought that you have to give knowledge related to this kind of a fields to
Hmm.
like new generation or parents or anyone.
So my it started not to give a very brief information about knowledge about manifestation to the world, but it started from myself actually. So
Mm-hmm.
I'm a person who is surrounded with a lot of spirituality also. I have a background in that, like from my childhood I have that feeling of connection with the divine. So
Mm-hmm.
slowly that process helped me to have a play a good role in mindset also. So that's
Okay.
how in my childhood itself my father used to give me some small books and diaries. So
Mm-hmm.
small books related to the some comics types of books that
Mm-hmm.
related to spirituality and devotional books. So
Okay.
those books has actually helped me to go through, other than the school subjects, I used to have an interest on reading books. So
Okay.
through those books I got some interest. Okay, there is another world also, there is a lot of vast subject out of this school topics. So like
Hmm.
that I used to get that interest in reading those small books. They are not so much big books or no exams and all on those topics. So I was having so much of interest reading all those books. Later on my father also had built a habit, he used to promote those small habits like writing diary every day. So
Okay.
he used to give me a small telephone diaries,
Mm-hmm.
where I used to write my best friends names, phone numbers, and whatever the things I like. I used to say like I like watching clouds, I like
Mm-hmm.
to draw. So those small things has started developed in me, thinking
Okay.
about. So that used to give, that was a seed at that moment. So
Mm-hmm.
slowly when he saw me having lot of interest in writing something by my own,
Mm-hmm.
So those thoughts I used to keep into words in the diary. So like that, he used to buy me every year a new diary. By 31st December he used to give me. So from Jan 1st I used to keep on writing every single day. So this is
Okay.
how that habit has built it. So
Mhm.
those things made me realize that there is something inside me, so that I want to express into those words and make those words into reality in my life.
Okay.
Having said like writing our goals and all. So I want to become a doctor. So that was that strong feeling inside my mind. So
Hmm.
what I can do for becoming a doctor. So like that, those steps and all, though I couldn't name them at that moment. I was very young and I was not sure about all those topics, but that used to happen regularly. So like that, if to be very honest, now I'm married, I'm a mother. uh, Still my father gives me a diary every year. So now I told like your charge is already taken by my husband. He buys me a diary every year, and he gives me, so that I can keep on filling my thoughts in that way.
Okay. All
So this
right.
is how like giving the books, reading self-help books and all, and
Hmm.
writing my thoughts after reading those books, keeping my thoughts into those words helped me a lot in this process initially.
Okay, so because you follow all these things, that's how you feel more connected towards
Hmm.
manifestation, and whenever you feel that, okay, if I am getting so much benefit from this kind of a techniques, why
Huh.
not share with others? Okay, so Saroja, any misconception do you encounter like related to manifestation that people or other any clients that you are serving right now, any
Hmm.
misconceptions they are having?
Yes, like we are human beings and we have a tendency that we want everything in minutes.
Yes.
Blink. So so simply we feel like we have an aim or a goal or a desire, simply we can say. So that feeling, we want to manifest, but we are lacking the process. So the simple process which we need to follow to manifest our dreams into reality, that
Mhm.
process we are missing. People
Okay.
come to me, even some people have asked me like this also. They have a desire, they have a goal to achieve, but they will ask me by when it will complete. So
Okay,
it's
the time
not in
period.
my it's not in the mentor's hand, it's in the person who want to manifest, it's in their hand. And
Mm-hmm.
they think like expecting the result very fast.
Mm.
So they think that if you truly believe and want to achieve something, ask the universe and universe will give. But it takes some time, where
Mm.
you need to put some actions into it. Missing
Mm.
that specific positive actions is where
Mm.
uh, makes the process delay. So
Okay.
people missing the action part, and they're
Mm.
believing the system, manifest, asking the universe, everything is happening. But when it comes to taking an action, when they miss that part, the result will be delayed. So this is the
Mm.
most common conception, that they think when we ask the universe will give. But if it doesn't give, you'll think that law of attraction is false. It's
Okay.
not working for me, or it's not meant for me. So that's how they
Mm.
feel.
Okay, all right. Because the when we once we start doing manifestation, we have to align it that kind of a energy
Mm,
along with our thoughts and beliefs. That yes, we can get it, or currently we are receiving this, then only we'll go further in this process or in this journey. Is
correct.
it true?
Hmm. We need to have clear intention, no doubt on it. What
Okay.
you want it. You want a
You-
doll, like when we are talking about teenagers, they have some fascinating things in their, like they want to have some things. So
Mhm.
if they want some sort of toys or something at the beginning of the teenage or something, if you want to be specific, very specific, which color you want, what type of a
Okay.
toy you want,
For
like that.
example, if they need iPhone,
Hmm.
because
Now
that is
now
iPhone is very
Correct.
Huh.
So
So, taking example of iPhone, then you can, yeah, proceed.
so if they want an iPhone, like
Mhm.
first of all, you think they want a phone for themselves because every parent and everyone around are using. So when so the child, the teenager should specifically know what sort of a phone they want. First of all, is it an Android on or iPhone? In if it is an iPhone, in iPhone, what model they want, and
Okay.
for what reason they want actually. So
Okay. Reason.
why they want to utilize? They got the iPhone, but they are later on that urge of having it will be lost slowly
Okay.
because they
Huh.
don't have any purpose in their life. If there is a
Mhm.
purpose for that phone, they'll definitely use it.
Okay.
Whatever the purpose may be. Some children might use it for a better development of their skills.
Yes.
Some might misuse it, but when there is a purpose for it, they will definitely use it for the best, and that serves the purpose actually. So
Okay.
that actually gives them a very good clarity before they want to get it. So
Mhm.
parents can ask them why you want that and what you want it. Go and research first of all which
Mhm.
iPhone you want, for example. So
Mhm.
they will go and research. When we directly give them like, okay, I'll buy you once I have a money, or some parents definitely will say they, no parents don't want to mislead their children in the giving things and all. So they can easily say that go and research about it.
Mhm.
One or two models you research, which one is the best one, why it is best for you actually. So it might be best for the world, but why it is best for you. So all
Mhm.
those things if we give, they have a very clear clarity about it, the goal.
Mhm.
So in that
Mhm.
next they should have a positive mindset why they want to use it, utilize it for. So
Okay.
when the parents also understand, okay, the child wants to use this thing for a specific goal, so
Mhm.
definitely they will also encourage them, okay, we will buy. As in
Mhm.
our generation, not more about the phone, but laptop used to be used for our seminars and all. So at that
Yes.
time they used to ask why you want laptop, which one. So
Mhm.
when we don't have any clarity, vague idea if we give, they can't provide you the best. When it is not the best, what is the use to have it in our life?
Mhm.
So we need to have a clarity, positive mindset, and consistently when you take action. So
Okay.
when you think that, okay, I want something, but when you are not putting your efforts and actions to reach it, so
Mhm.
so in that way, if you would take a consistent action and all, your dreams and desires will come to reality easily.
Okay.
So
All right.
so it might be a thing, it might be a situation, it might be any position also. When you have a clarity, a positive mindset, and having taken consistent action, you can see it in a reality.
Okay. All right.
Mm.
So first, identify what you want, why
Mm.
you want. Basically, I mean, very clear picture of your dream, your goal, and then
Mm.
work toward it along with manifestation, positive energy, positive mindset.
Correct.
So when you manifest it with a positive mindset, it will help you to attract sooner, because
Correct.
you have to work hard towards your goal.
Mm.
Manifestation will help you to get the result sooner.
Mm. So
That's
see,
how it.
even for the, yeah, even for the parents also, like we are chasing over our health, career, wealth and all. So let's take an example of a wealth. We want a lot of money so that we can be stable, settled and be peaceful. We utilize those money for our well-being, for children and all. But we will have a figure like, okay, this much of a amount that I want. But when you lack the clarity with this amount, what you're going to do? Okay,
Mm,
obviously, the universe or the God will accept to give you certain crores of amount. So, what you're
yes.
going to, when you don't have a clarity, then what is the purpose of having so much of money? We will
Mm,
utilize it like that. Okay, we're not going for work and chill at home, and utilizing it for some unnecessary things also. So there
Mhm.
is no purpose for that money that we actually achieved. So when we have a clarity on what, and we need to have a clarity about the end goals also, why we are
Mhm.
going to achieve that goal. So what is
Mhm.
the purpose of having it in our life? So those
Mhm.
all are plays a very important role. So I would advise parents, for teenage parents, teenagers parents, like what I can say is, you make them clear for
Mhm.
children whatever they ask. It's your wish that you want to give or not, but why you want to give, you have a clarity. Why you don't want to give is also a clarity. You need to have the clarity. But
Mhm.
because you simply can't say that I don't have money, or I don't want to give you. It's not your life. It's all the child's life also. So we
Mhm.
need to have a clarity. If you give clarity that I don't want to give you this one at this moment because of so and so reason,
Mhm.
so the children will also easily understand. So they will
Yes.
also start thinking, okay, if it this reason, for this reason I'm asking a certain thing, my parents are going to say yes or no. It depend upon his clarity.
Mm.
So this is how we can model our children also easily.
Yes, yes, Saroja. The very important point that you suggest is to have the purpose. I mean,
Hmm.
many of us think about we have something in a like X amount of money or some position or a kids like this kind of a percentage, anything in our life.
Hmm.
We have certain goals. After that, after achieving that goal, what we are going to do, we are not thinking in that perspective.
Correct.
So that is how the missing part is in manifestation, because
Hmm.
if we are not telling universe, give me this, and after you give me this I will do this, then the universe will understand, okay, the person is having a
Something.
clear mind map. So
Correct.
yes, they have everything in a line, and they
Hmm.
have certain steps. That is why they are asking for that particular goal or something. That is why
Hmm.
I should give them, or
Uh,
I
one
should. Yes.
one small example I can say, you get into a city bus. You sit in the seat and ask the driver, you take me anywhere, or else the conductor will come and ask you where you want to go. When you don't know where you want to reach, then how can the he can give you a ticket? So
Mm.
obviously he will tell you, get down the next stop.
Mm.
So that's how the universe also, they can help you when you have a clear idea of about your life, though you
Mhm.
not required to know till the end of the 60 years, but at
Mm.
least the next step or the other step you want to take, at least you need to have some clarity. Then only this genie, the in law of attraction, will have a special genie for us. Everyone has in their own mind. So that genie will understand, okay, this person want to have something in his life, so this message I will transfer it to the universe, the higher
Mm.
energy. So
Mm.
in between, if you keep on changing the ideas, like, okay, first time I want to become a doctor, then I want to become an engineer, no, fashion designer. So genie kitne baar jaake aayega? He is actually carrying your letter, that message, to the universe. Half the way he go, you tell, no, I don't want that, I want another thing. So
Mm.
genie is about to reach the universe, and you are about again, like you're tearing those letter again and again. So never you will, obviously you'll feel frustrated. Oh, मेरा कुछ भी wish पूरा नहीं हो रहा है, because
Mm.
you are not having the clarity.
Clarity, and that is why the delay happens,
Hmm.
because of your lack of clarity. That is why the delay is happening in
Dil-
your achieving the goal.
Hmm.
One thing, Saroja, we in manifestation we always use the word universe.
Hmm.
Last Saturday, I don't remember. I had an interview with a person,
Hmm.
and he's from a Brahma Kumari's group,
Ha. Ha.
and he asked me why we always go for universe, not for a specific. I mean, if I am worshipping Lord Ganesha or
Mm.
Krishna or anyone, why I'm
Mm.
not connecting with that directly to them? And in respect of that, we are saying universe as a word.
So
So for
universe.
that, have clarity.
Yes, yes. So, in general, we are telling it as universe. Of course, the universe can be called in different names for different people, different belief systems.
Mm,
Some people believe there is no universe, everything is zero,
mm,
sunya.
mm,
So, some people believe there is Brahmand, everything is there.
mm,
So, universe is everything. For some people, universe is nothing. It's a zero. For some people, it is everything. So, people, if you call it universe as a Jesus, so universe will respond. Whatever name you want to give to the universe will respond. If I give a name called Jagannath Swami, like Krishna, or whatever name I want to give, so I can call it. If
mm.
you believe in some other form of a strong higher energy, you can call it.
Okay.
So it depend upon person to person. If you are comfortable saying like universe, you can tell. If you
Mm.
comfortable saying, uh, so I wish to have something, dear Krishna, please give me that. So you can call it with any name. There is no restriction in that.
Okay, okay, okay. Yeah, because some people are very connected to a particular uh, god or goddess.
Hmm.
So that is why I'm thinking ki why if we ask to them, is it
Hmm.
different or the same? It is same.
So see,
We
I
just
call
have to find it the connection.
correct. So I call you Richa.
Mm.
So what your husband calls you?
Mm. Same.
What your
Ha
like
ha ha.
what your child calls you? He don't
Mama.
call you
It's
Richa,
a different names. Ha.
ha. They give you different names, but you are the same person.
Okay, fine.
Your mother might call with some other pet name. Your
Mm.
parents or sister, someone will give you different names.
Different
With
names.
love
Yes.
and affection, they are calling you with that name. So whatever name you are calling, but you are the same person, you are going to give what those person want.
Mm-hmm.
Your child want some specific things from you. As a
Mm.
mother, you'll provide in that way. For a husband, you will provide what sort of a relation he want from you. For
Yes.
parents, and you are not different there. You are the same person, but how come you are doing different things with different names? So
Okay.
imagine you are a universe, but you have different names, but you're serving different people.
Mm. My
So that
personality will be different for different
ha
relationships.
yes.
Okay. Okay. Fine. After everything we discussed, any technique that the teenager can use for manifestation, if he's very new into this technique.
Yes. First thing is like how we all start our children to have a being mindful. Like we will ask them to meditate for few minutes,
Mm-hmm.
few seconds. So that meditation mode,
Mm-hmm.
actually that meditation mode will allow them to visualize their goals. So each and every person in this world have some goals
Mm-hmm.
that might be short term or long term. If we ask a teenager, what is your goal in next year or for 1 or 2 years, what is it? They will definitely have. Even for the first, even for the 2 days also, for next 2 days, what is your goal? So they will have some goal. So that goal you can visualize. So
Okay.
visualization is one such practice in manifestation. It will help them to understand what they want actually.
Okay.
So daily for few minutes, make them aware of what they actually want. Instead of telling to others, first of all, they can even have, they need to have the clarity, right? So visualization is one technique that will help them. And gratitude journaling. So
Mm-hmm.
from the young age itself, we can cultivate that habit of writing gratitude. Simple things like what they are grateful for, They might be grateful for chocolates, now iPhones, whatever things they have. Their friends, they feel very much connected to their friends, their age group people, so they can be grateful for whatever they are. So
Mm.
you, as a parent also, we can encourage them. Whatever happens, whether it is a good or bad, it happens for a reason. So give
Mm.
thanks to that situation or challenges, so they will understand, okay, if something I have lost, there is a reason for it, so something good might come into my life. So in
Okay.
that way they can write those gratitude in a simple form. Initially not required to be very complicated, uh, bil- thinking about the format and all, but simply they can tell that I'm glad, at least I'm glad to have so and so thing in my life. I'm glad that I have a mother who's taking care of me. Glad that my mom prepares something good, some good food, favorite food for me. So these simple things later on, when they think like I have enough things to be very grateful in my life, they'll feel that scarcity mindset. They will
Yeah.
lose that scarcity mindset.
Mm-hmm.
So one more technique is like affirmations.
Affirmations.
Huh. We usually, as a parent, we tell them you're a good boy, you're a good girl, you're brave, you're calm. So those words can be converted into a affirmation. I'm a confident person. I'm a confident teenager. Um, like I'm a brave person. I'm an intelligent person. So
Mm.
they keep on highlighting certain things that are boosting their mindset.
Okay.
In intelligent, self confident. I'm a responsible person. So you
Mm.
believe it or not, my child, she was just months baby. I have stick some affirmations, handwritten affirmations, like just powerful, brave, beautiful, intelligent. So those papers I have stick on a cupboard. So now
Mm.
she is 3.5. She'll repeat those words.
Okay.
So what I did is on the top I have written I am. In the
Mm.
uh, on the lower side I have mentioned powerful, beautiful, strong, unique,
Mm-hmm.
responsible. So those words she don't know how to read completely. But she now, because of repeating those words every single day, so she just tells. She asked me to tell them, repeat for her. So I repeat, and it happens like my affirmations are also being repeated.
Mm-hmm.
So being intelligent or responsible is not age related. Everyone can do. So we do it together. In that
Mm.
way, repeat the positive affirmations also, and
Mm.
you can be mindful. Actually, being
Mm.
mindful also is a one technique. But,
Mm.
when you are mindful, when the teenager is mindful, because they are seeing lot of things in and around. N- every single day is a new thing, but even for us it is a new thing every single day. Technology or things, everything we are seeing new. But we have now, at this age, we have some stability to think and react and respond. But
Mm.
for their age, they are not, still not at a stage that to how to react or how to respond to those things. So
Mm.
being mindful, thinking in present, helps
Mm.
them to reduce stress and anxiety.
Yes, yes, yes.
So that will actually increase the capacity, the focus to achieve their goals.
Mm.
When they are not being mindful, like abhi chahiye, that sort of a stubbornness people
Mm.
have, mujhe abhi chahiye, nahi to mujhe nahi chahiye. So
Mm.
that creates a lot of conflict inside the teenager. So
Yes, yes.
being mindful, practicing meditations and affirmations, visualization, this all will help them. And one
Okay.
good thing is like having a vision board also. Vision board plays an important role to everyone's life. So
Mm.
simple vision board, tell them what you want, only 3 or 4 things in for this year. So they will
Mm.
pick some things, very important one. They'll still keep on seeing them regularly. Slowly
Mm.
they will habit of, okay, I want this now. How come forgot this? After this 6 months, I even we forget. Jan first, what we want is
Yeah.
now July 1st. We forget what we want actually. But when we look at the vision board, because those are our goals. When we
Yes.
see them, we feel that okay, I want this now, but how come I forgot this? Okay, take some action towards this to achieve those goals. So these
Mm.
are some techniques that can help the teenager to be focused on their goals.
Okay. So, Saroja, you tell about affirmations plus gratitude.
Mm.
So we feel gratitude towards what we have gone through, the present moment, or we can do for our future itself. Like,
Yeah.
I'm grateful for something that has not happened yet, but
Mm.
we are grateful for that. So it's kind of a attraction of that particular thing in our life,
Mm.
or in sort of affirmations, like I am a doctor, as you
Mm.
mentioned you were
Mm.
doing when you were a
Mm.
child. So I am a doctor. So is it helpful to attract the course, the degree towards you, if you are thinking about future and telling it in a present way, in a
Yes,
present
in
sentence?
present tense, when we tell, it will attract. Just think like as a parent, now you know how children ask things for what they want. Whenever we go, whenever we go out, if they want something, they
Mm,
want a bike or something. In teenagers, they have that fascination of having a two wheelers and all. So when they start ask, first of all they'll ask you quietly, I
mm,
want this one. So immediate our reaction will be, we will think later, I'll give
mm,
it later, because you're not good at it as of now, that skills. So we
mm,
will delay. But the child already fixed his mind on those things. So
mm.
that will easily, it will not go, because he imprinted that into his subconscious mind.
Yes.
So he will not take it so easily, because it's not our goal. So as a parent we will neglect it, but it is his goal. So he'll definitely keep it in his mind continuously. Even in dreams they will see that they are riding. So they'll keep on asking you, he'll repeat सताते हैं पूरा,
Mm,
मुझे चाहिए कि चाहिए, वो चीज मुझे चाहिए ये. They
mm.
will cry, they will blackmail, they will fight with you.
Yes, yes.
So in such way they'll keep on saying, I want it, I want it, I want, मुझे चाहिए चाहिए. So the same thing, you should be stubborn with the universe also. If you
Okay.
want something, then what you will do one day, when your child is asking something repeatedly, whether you like it or not,
Take it or
but
leave it. Take it and
you'll
leave.
give it, you will give it, but definitely you will see good and bad about that things, the positives and negatives of it. And obviously when you once you feel like, one day I have to definitely give him na, so why
Mm,
can't I give one day before, 1 year before? So you will think the positives and negatives of it, and definitely you will give it. When
mm,
it is worth, you will definitely give. So when the person is very stubborn about his goals, the
mm,
universe will fall in love. Okay, इतना है उसको, चाहिए ही कि चाहिए. So he is not deviating his mind to any other things. He is not telling like, oh, एक बार मुझे ये बाइक चाहिए, वो बाइक चाहिए, कार चाहिए. एक बार बाइक पूछा, जस्ट इमेजिन, पहले साइकिल पूछा, उसके बाद बाइक पूछा, उसके बाद कार. No,
mm,
he directly asked a bike. So he
mm,
fixed his mind on it. He has a
mm,
clear intention of having it in his life. So
mm, mm,
universe will definitely give him.
mm, mm,
So he will achieve those things when he is very. I don't say that every child should be stubborn in that way. And stubbornness is not a bad word. I'm just telling them that having a zeal in him, in them. So when
mm.
they have that strong willpower to achieve something, they will achieve it at any cost. So universe will also fall in love with such people, and it will give it. Okay, they are so much interest, so much of they are working also on it. Every single day मम्मा देखो वो बाइक जो मैं पूछा था ना, वो मेरा सीनियर के पास था, वो ऐसे चलाता है, तो वो मुझे अच्छा लगा, उसका नंबर ये था. So they keep on researching about them. वो पेट्रोल इतना लेता है, अभी पेट्रोल का रेट इतना हुआ. So they are keep on doing background work on it.
Uh,
So how come you feel, oh wow, this child is so interested in it? So you'll definitely give it, right? The same way the
okay.
universe will give it.
Okay. And the mindset play an important role in manifestation.
Hmm.
How teenager or any person who is
Hmm.
thinking about manifestation or manifesting something can create a positive mindset to attract that
Hmm.
goal or something in their life.
Hmm. So mindset definitely plays a crucial role actually.
Mhm.
So for anything in our life, but mostly for the manifestation process also. Um, so how to have that positive mindset to achieve your goals through manifestation is by having gratitude feeling, which I told you, the practicing gratitude and all. Also by having a positive influencing surroundings.
Uh-huh.
So if we are in a surroundings where the people keep on doing negative things, talking negative, and not helping those that little mind to bloom towards anything positively to achieve, so we have to be supporting. Like now the teenagers in India, we are under the guidance of parents, they are with us. So parents plays a main important role here. The
Mhm.
parents have to give a supportive environment to the child.
Yes.
If the child says that he want to become a aeronautical engineer or a pilot, other than this not
Uh,
professions like a doctor, engineer type wala professions nowadays, there are a lot of scope now in this digital world. So whatever things, see uh, uh, if they want to become a coach also, if they
yeah.
come and say us, because
Mhm.
they are seeing us as a role models, they want to become some coach or some technical person, want
Mhm.
to develop something in AI, this new technologies and all, we should encourage them. We should give some good a good help or support from our side, because the atmosphere plays an important role. If we
Mhm.
immediately say that, ए ये क्यों बनना है तुझे और कुछ चॉइस नहीं मिला, so
Mhm.
then and there we are cutting those blooming flowers. ये
Mhm.
immediately कट कर देते हैं उनको, ये नहीं बनना चाहिए, ये कुछ प्रोफेशन है क्या? So we
Mhm.
should not do. As a
Mhm.
life coaches and all, we understand how important it is to give their choice, whatever
Mhm.
decision they want to take. But still there are parents who can't understand at that moment. But they will obviously, like they will say, this is not a good profession, not required and all, so that we should not do.
Mhm.
And uh, like challenging the negative thoughts.
Mhm.
So what it means is, whenever you feel some negative thought about the goal, you want to become a pilot. So
Mhm.
someone will come and say, पायलट बनना उतना इजी नहीं है, पायलट
Mhm.
बनने के लिए बहुत पढ़ाई करना है, बहुत मेहनत होगा, सिलेक्शंस ऐसे होगा वैसे होगा. That fear, they're inculcating lot of fear into their mind. So
Yes,
that
true.
shouldn't happen. So
Yes.
whenever the teenager is facing such a situation, they have to follow one sort of turning those negative beliefs to a positive beliefs.
Mm.
Everything is possible in this world. When
Mm.
there is a problem, there is a solution. So when there is a negative belief, there is a positive belief also. So turn those negative beliefs to a positive beliefs. um, पायलट बनना मुश्किल है, नो, यू टर्न दोज वर्ड्स इनटू अ पॉजिटिव वर्ड्स. पायलट बनना बहुत आसान है. इफ
Mm.
आई डू सर्टेन थिंग्स, आसान है. Becoming it very easy, that doesn't end there. You need, by what steps it is easy.
Mm.
Oh, for that we need to go through certain exams. What are those exams? So can we apply online? Can we have to go to any airport and ask them, or which people we have to connect with? So
Mm.
all those work if we do, it is easy, right? When you are
Mm.
not aware of the information, it is difficult. When you are aware, that is easy. So
Mm.
challenging those negative thoughts actually. and
Mm.
and like these positive affirmations and all will play a good role already discussed all the, but
Mm-hmm.
celebrating those small wins also. So
Mm-hmm.
when a person, when he have a certain goal and he's research doing a lot of research in it, he's tired at one moment because no other external support is getting.
Yes,
Parents,
yes.
we need to help them in that way, like we have to support them, provide
Mm.
some tools also, whatever things from our end we can provide them, all those
Yes.
information we can also research in behalf of him.
Mm.
And then celebrating those small wins, like देखा इतना सारा information we gathered, so let's
Mm.
go out and have some cup of coffee or juice or something, so celebrate those wins. So
Yes.
that gives a lot of happiness to the child there. The teenager will feel, okay, my parents are there to support me whatever role I'm going to take in my future, so he will
Mm.
not take a lot of external support out of home.
Mm-hmm.
That way we can help them. So
Yes.
these all like a cult, these all help in that stays in their mind there.
Mm.
That is where the mindset also helps them to increase that, cultivating a positive mindset.
Yes, yes, yes. Because
Hmm.
yes, the teenager always think about what my parents think
Hmm.
about.
Hmm.
They are not focusing on the others. They are just focusing what my parents thinking about me. And if they are good with me, they are feel that yes, I am doing right. I don't
Hmm.
have to showcase to others ki what I am
Correct.
doing right or wrong. And yes, it
Hmm.
is, as you said, it is important to do activities or to research with your teenagers, along with your teenagers, or separately as well, so that they'll know that my parents are also interested in my passion or interest.
Hmm.
They are also working towards my passion, and for that you are able to create a great bond with your teen, with your
Hmm.
child, or with your parents itself. Ki, like both the parties are working towards one goal, so they'll feel that now we are a team, we have to achieve that goal, and together we'll celebrate each and every small wins or milestones.
Hmm.
Yes. So, if a person is doing affirmations or gratitude, they have the vision board.
Hmm.
How, I mean, what kind of a challenges they'll face if they are not doing it regularly, or how they can overcome that challenges, like while doing manifestation, or
Huh.
while they are going to achieve their goals through manifestation, through affirmations. So, what kind of a common challenges and how they can overcome it?
So the challenges are everywhere. So for the manifestation also, um, one big challenge is self doubt.
Hmm.
When the person is doubting his own ability, so
Hmm.
no doubt that he can't like he can reach the goal.
Hmm.
So the self doubt has to go out of his mind first of all. So that's
Hmm.
how we work on mindset first of all. So the
Hmm.
self doubt thing can be overcome by doing the self affirmations.
Hmm.
First thing, when you believe that you are intelligent, how so when he believes that he is intelligent enough to achieve anything in his life, so he will get that self confidence in inside.
Hmm.
It can be intelligent, it can be confidence, it can be braveness, whatever words that
Hmm.
in teenager want to give it to himself. When he keep on repeating those words, so here not just a teenager, but the parents also plays a very important role. Keep on
Hmm.
telling them, we during the child's early ages we keep on kissing them, telling them, oh, I love you so much, I like you so much, you are brave one, like so many words we give. But when the child is growing,
Right.
we don't show so much of love and empathy to them. We stop that feelings and keep them to ourselves only. But it is very important, even for the teenager we need to give it that lot of love.
To
Then they
show.
will, huh, then they will not seek for external help. They will
Mm.
always come back to you, even though the child is 20 years. When the teenager turns to 20, 25, also they will come back to you and share it nicely with your, with the father or mother, like I have done this, though it is a mistake also they'll open up to you and tell. So that
Mm-hmm.
self doubt we should not have in
Mm.
ourselves. So doing the lot of positive self affirmations will help. And also the past success, like the
Mm.
child is growing every single day, so they need to focus on, they need to also think about the past success also. Okay, at that young age I have achieved something, my parents were very happy and I was also very happy, so that boosts ups you.
Mm.
We forget this past success. we, we
Grab that G.
Huh. We actually remember our past mistakes nicely, but we forget our past success.
Very, very true. Very true. That is the human mind. That
Huh.
is the human mind. We always remember the negative,
Then
the
the positive.
doubts, the anything that is in negative in nature. We always remember, and very teeny mini thing we always remember, but we hardly remember the biggest success. We only remember that already happened in like last 1 or 2 years, not more than that.
Hmm.
But फॉर अ नेगेटिव सिचुएशन में कि मुझे बचपन में ऐसा कुछ हुआ था, मैंने ऐसा किया था, ये हो गया था, व्हेन व्हाटएवर द सिचुएशन इज, वी
We'll
ऑलवेज
remember.
रिमेंबर.
Hmm.
यस.
So focus on your past success also. I would encourage, like, Richa, in your community, as lot of teenagers are there, teenage parents are there. So those, for those parents, you advise them to have a small cute diary where where they can note down their children's every single positive milestones.
Mm-hmm.
So you we might at the age of 3 they might be rolling those small milestones, whatever they have. They
Okay.
roll, they crawl, they do this thumb sucking. Later on they'll have once we turn to solids and all, so all those small milestones, when the parents keep on entering into a small diary, you gift it to them when they start reading and identifying them. So
Okay.
not just those small things, like once they are 10, 11, so keep on writing them.
Mm-hmm.
Not, no need to ask the child, you already know. As a parent you will keep on observing them each and every time. So keep on writing whatever you come to know about them now. Those, okay, this child has had a Guinness World Record. Some people, their parents try to have their children to have their name in Guinness World Record and all. So that milestone. And if the child is first in running any sports or art, so those uh, are positive points of that teenager. So
Mm-hmm.
so keep on writing them and give it to them once in a while. Let them read. They will understand, oh, I have achieved a lot in the past. So they'll keep on, and I have so much of power within me, so that gives a boost up. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
obviously we will keep on telling them. When a parent definitely want to encourage their child, they will keep on telling, you are
Yes.
so good at that time, now also you can perform so well. So writing also the diaries and all, so they will have, see, how come my parents, how come my mother or father had taken lot of effort to note it down every milestone of mine. So they will have you in a, without telling you you love them, they will understand, obviously you love them.
And
and
how they
and
are aware of all your success, and they
huh,
remember. Yes, that is very
so
good. Much.
so this will clear their self doubt area. It will clear, obviously when the child is boosted up with lot of positive things, the child will not have this challenge, like having a self doubt, can I do or not, that doubt will be cleared. And having a negative mindset also, when the when the child, when the teenager is surrounded with a lot of negative stuff from the internet or TV or parents or any their neighborhood also, so that negative mindset will definitely affect their growth. So how much we are seeing, how much we are absorbing that negative energy, that much is the growth. So we can't see a positive growth when you are observing a negative in content. So
Yes,
when
yes.
those sort of things, as a parent also, we can take care of what sort of a content that child can observe. You don't, we can't force them. Definitely we can't. When they're seeing something, we can't, watching something, we can't force them. No, no, you don't watch this, I'll give you something. No, but you tell them, see, when I was a teenager, I used to watch this sort of shows which used to give me a lot of positive energy, had given me a lot of ideas. Shakalaka boom boom. That time we used to all every child जलाते रहते थे matchsticks लेके. Some curious science experiments and all. So such sort of content if we give, so that negative mindset will be shifted to a positive one easily. And
Yes.
some other challenges are like inconsistent efforts.
Mm.
Taking, we have to take continuous action. We'll do
Mm.
one day, we are very much charged, okay, so everyone are charged one day full. First tarikh ko fully charged, by 31st tarikh everyone is collapsed. So that you should not be like that.
Yes.
Same energy should be carried. Don't be so high on the first also. Be neutral, not a problem. Be neutral, the same energy you can carry on. One
Mm.
day up and down it will happen, 1 point 2 points up and down, but still consistently do the same efforts, put same efforts and actions, so that you can reach the goals. So
Yeah.
easily that challenge can be fixed.
Uh,
Those, and we need to take care of the friend circle of a teenager. What
very,
sort of a
very.
what sort of a friend circle they have. If
Yes.
they are with a, we can't estimate or we can't select their friends also, but we can positively reinforce their mind, make
Mm.
them aware what sort of a friend circle if you be in. We
Yes.
always know na, five best people in our life, top people.
Yes.
We follow them, what we watch their content, we talk to them, we share to them. So such people you need to make them aware.
Mm.
If someday someone will ask you and come and interview, what you will answer to this question. Who are the top 5 people in your life? So they will
Mm.
understand. So
Mm.
they will obviously, if we are good to our children, they will write our names. If we are not providing some good nurturing to them, they'll obviously feel their friends are good, their
Uh,
teachers are good, or some influencer in the internet might be good for them. So make them aware, they let them choose. It's
mm.
not our we can't force them to choose मेरा नाम ले लेना पहले. We can't do that. They will have their influences. So that
Mm.
external influences also,
Mm.
when you keep on giving top 5 people in your life, they will, it will change time to time, of course, but they will choose the best one.
Best one. Yes.
It's an exercise so that this all challenges in manifestation will be fade out easily.
And we can do the same for ourselves.
Correct.
Because yes, if our mindset will be or our energy will be in that level, that only we can say or ask to our
Hmm.
teeth. Plus, yes, the diary idea is very, very awesome. And I will implement for myself also, and for my kid also.
Hmm.
Because
So,
somehow sometimes as a person I am also feeling am I doing the right thing, am I doing wrong, is I
hmm.
am good enough or something like that. Because if I am working towards my goal, sometimes I am not able to give so much time to my kid. And then
Hmm.
I think, am I a good mother or not? Am I spending a good time with my kid or not? Before I'm not doing anything, then I'll spend so much time. Now I'm giving 2 3 hours only or something like that. But yes,
Hmm.
once we'll find out, once we'll go through all our achievements along with, like, I am managing my family, my kid, my husband, then it will help to boost me. And if I'm doing the same for my kid, that he every year or in, like, in particular some month, is he achieved something and I should mention it, and then I'll tell him that okay, you will do so many things in your life, don't think about you are not able to do something or not.
Hmm.
Will help them also. One important thing, Saroja, that comes in my mind every time, ki generally people want to say affirmations, want to say gratitude, okay, thank you God for this, because of this, anything, the
Hmm.
conversation is
Hmm.
verbally. It
Hmm.
can, matlab, it should be in written, or it, if it is verbally, it is okay.
Yeah, it's verbally also okay. No wrong that sometimes we are we are thinking as a universe, thinking about the universe and writing it all.
Mm-hmm.
So, uh, written thing why we encourage journaling, why we encourage is uh, we have a muscle memory actually.
Mm-hmm.
Muscle memory doesn't restrict it to only hand.
Mm-hmm.
You know, you have learned writing alphabets and numbers in our very young age. So they will keep us writing slate में लिखते हैं a a everything we keep on repeatingly chalk पे slate pencil से लिखते रहते हैं. Repeatedly we keep on doing that because it builds a imprint in our subconscious mind, also conscious and subconscious mind. Again, most importantly into the muscle. It will be stored in not just in the brain, it will store in our muscles also. If I ask you to write a letter A with your right hand, you will write easily.
Mm-hmm.
With your left hand, definitely you will try to write. You know how to write A.
Mm-hmm.
Are you if I ask you to write with eyes closed, can you write?
Mm-hmm.
You can write,
Yes.
isn't it? If I
Yes.
ask you to write with your nose tip, you can write.
Right.
Why? How come? Have you practiced writing with your nose?
No.
No, right? But how can you write?
Because
It's
I
there.
read so much, so
Ah,
many times that it goes in
stored.
my subconscious. Yes.
Huh. It's
So,
stored in your muscle
mm,
everywhere. If I asked you to write with your left leg, thumb finger, still you
mm,
will write.
mm,
मिट्टी में लिखते हैं ना कभी कभी. So that also we can we won't practice it regularly, but it already stored in our muscles and our body.
mhm, mhm,
So that's how, for that reason, we will ask you to write, keep on writing, journaling process. So it
mhm,
will be there inside us, muscles, body, cells, and everywhere. It will
mm,
be a part of us now.
mhm, mhm,
At the same time, you can even tell this: I'm glad, I'm grateful to have so and so thing. I'm grateful to have a good health. I'm
mhm,
grateful to achieve my goal. I'm grateful to be in some good environment, be in a good neighborhood, or
mhm,
whatever. So you
mhm,
can tell it verbally also.
mhm,
No problem. Guided meditation, something like a guided meditation. We can keep repeating it to ourselves.
mhm,
Universe will even though you are writing, Bhagwan dekh raha hai. Even though you are telling, he is listening to us. So
mhm,
no problem in that. Sometimes when we are so busy, not able to do, teenagers, children, they are busy with their studies and schools, extracurricular activities and all. So at that time, pick it only 3 or 4 things to do with gratitude journaling. Or if
mhm,
that is also not possible, once in a while you're going, while you're traveling to some special classes, ऑटो में, कार में, जब भी जाते हैं, यू आर ग्रेटफुल फॉर व्हाट, फॉर टुडे, कौन सा चीज पे आप ग्रेटफुल हो आज. You just
Mm.
keep on asking, talking to them instead of talking unnecessary things. We can ask them in this way. So they will tell, I'm grateful for this. It's a, it like a, make it as a game. Today
Uh,
I'll tell what I'm grateful for, and now you
uh,
tell what you're grateful for.
uh.
So
And
just
one more thing, Saroja, auditory. I mean, can we
mm,
listen? I mean, if a person is like, if a teenager is in a cab, he
mm,
didn't have any pen, paper, or he maybe he can think about all his affirmation or gratitude, anything. Can
yes.
he listen? I mean, can he pre-record it and on a daily basis he can listen it to get
Mm.
the energy, to get on that energy, vibrations, and feeling everything?
Yes, yes, he can. So it's a sort of automation process, but he already have a clarity about what goal he want, and
Mm-hmm.
he will have that with intention. What are the intention that he want to have, and with everything he'll frame one affirmation that I'm so glad to have so and so thing in my life. So it on a repeat mode he can hear it, record record it by himself and keep on listening. This is how in my in one of my course, like I'm taking some customized courses, like specialized courses, one-on-one sessions. So in
Mm-hmm.
that course there is a part like I'll give them audio for affirmations or some prayers and all. So if so busy we are, every time we can't write. It's
Mm-hmm.
not that it's not a priority for us, it's a priority, but still it's not, we can't practically, we are not able to do to in such situation. It's like a instead of listening to any movie songs or something, or unnecessary things, now it's like a podcast. When we are traveling, if you want to listen to some uh, person who is doing a podcast, the same way affirmations also can be revived continuously, we can listen to them.
Okay, okay.
So this is a part in my program also. I'll give them pre-recorded affirmations to them, some pre-recorded prayers that they have to listen. Just they will be like less than 10 minutes every
Mm-hmm.
those parts and all, prayers or affirmation, less than 10 minutes, so they can keep on listening to them. 10 minutes is like just like it can go. You can use it when you're traveling also, when you're
Yes, yes.
riding or driving thing, that you can avoid the, like usually teenagers they can be travel by buses, or parents can drop them. At that time they can just keep their earphones and listen. Just within 10
Yeah.
minutes they can finish their gratitude or affirmations.
Yes, because we can do a same thing in a different way. We can
Hmm.
write, uh, we can speak it, we can listen it, and if it is in a video form, we
Hmm.
can see.
See
We
also.
like a movie.
Hmm.
Just see it, and whatever the sentences comes, we can repeat it in our mind. Same as we
Hmm.
don't have to speak if we didn't have any earphones, and so we
Ah,
can do it public as well. We can just watch it.
yes.
So one
As
thing.
a parent, one thing, like as a parent, gift your child a small diary. It can be easy to carry, comfortable. It's whatever according to their choice. You will understand how your child is. So gift a small diary to them. Ask them, write what's your feeling. Keep your feelings out in that diary,
Mhm.
whether it is emotional, what emotions if they are not able to share with you also, let them write. It's not required to write a full story. If they are okay to write, it's okay. But at least one such negative situation, if something happened, tell them first of all that whatever you write in this, if it is something negative, God will, I'll not see, I'll not check your diary, but you can mention it, and God, the universe or God, where they can correct it, that
Mhm.
situation. with true intention. If you write you're facing some trouble at school or anywhere,
Mm.
mention there, God will take care of it.
They take
and
care.
on and on the opposite side, turn the book, and on the opposite side write all positive things what happened at them, at least one positive thing or two things whatever happened to them. They played
Mm-hmm.
a football nicely, football match, they won, their team won the match, they are happy so much, so that they can mention one or two words. So
Hmm.
life is both
Negative plus.
positives and Huh. So
Uh,
whatever the negative things are happening, God will take care of it. The universe will take care of it. Whatever the positive things are happening, the past success we have to remember, right? So that whenever you go back and check those things, they will feel happy. Oh, that match was crazy. Our team enjoyed like everything, anything. And after that match, we went to our canteen and had something we wanted to, like
mm-hmm.
they will remember all those positive situation happened there. So obviously their energy level go high, instead that mood swing will disappear easily.
So it will be on a same page, like a half half or
Like
front back.
front and back is fine, because 2 3 diaries if we ask them to carry, they'll lose one or sometime. So it's, yeah, it should be comfortable for them. Because we are inculcating a new habit to them, we can't force them to एक डायरी journaling के लिए रखना, एक affirmation के लिए रखना. They will be fed up with, already they have a lot of books and homeworks. So one small diary, tell them it is personal for you. Some diaries can be locked also, because
Mm-hmm.
teenagers have a lot of secrets all. So we can give them such diaries also.
Mm-hmm.
Don't, and never try to check their content without their permission.
Mm-hmm.
Ask, if you want to share anything that you have written in your book, that mama can help you better, so they will once or twice you ask them, but don't force. But later definitely they will understand, okay, there is one person in this world that they want to help me out, so they will come to you easily. So in that
Mm-hmm.
way we can be like holding them without forcing them.
Okay.
Hmm.
Um, la- Second last question, Saroja. Any from any resource from where they
Hmm.
can learn more about manifestation? Any
Hmm.
podcast, any book, any article, any website, any YouTube video. From there, they can start going through those materials so that they can gain more information if a
Yes.
parent wants or if a teenager wants.
So there are lot of resources we are in with, like the full world we have lot of resources now. uh, like first of all, introduce books to them. That is good, because once we give them online content, they'll be addicted obviously, but with that online content they will follow up to their choices.
Mm.
But first of all, if you provide them good books, just like how I told, my father used to give me some books in the initial stages. There was no much internet and all at our childhood, but still, when the books have been given, I used to keep. Still I have those small books. So in that way, provide books in the sense, the if you everyone knows that the best book is The Secret to know about the manifestation. So
Mhm.
one such book is like Secret. They will, give you a overall view of how that secret works and all. It You can even encourage them to see the Secret movie.
Mhm.
So in a movie form also they will enjoy. One weekend you all sit down and watch with them. It's
Mhm.
like a movie, a document type of a movie, so easily they can understand with the subtitles and all nicely. They'll under, oh, there is something new, because we are not playing such sort of a content at home usually.
Mhm.
So
Mhm.
when you give so all those things, they will understand, okay, this helps, and they will be one step ahead than their friends, knowing all
Mhm.
those things.
Yes, yes, yes.
And like books, the one book is like The Power of Now. It
Okay.
will help. The power of now, it will help to be in mindful state at the
Yes.
present
Yes.
moment. Hmm.
Mm.
There are books like you are a badass. There is a book, so it's like a work like crazy. They will It will give a lot of information about the personal development and manifestation.
Mm-hmm.
And one book about the think and grow rich is also a good book. They will make you aware of all your power of thoughts.
Yes.
So though these are simple books. The language is also not so difficult in these books.
Mm.
uh, and podcast, there are podcasts from Mind Valley.
Mm-hmm.
So that podcast, they are very good, like about manifestation and self growth. They'll keep on, there are different coaches in their Mind Valley. So if
Yes.
you
Yes.
keep on digging, you will find each and area, each and every topic. They keep on telling, they're not just about the Western culture only, they'll include our Indian culture topics also. They'll give lot of information about even they are taking all the good information from the books. Even
Mm.
they talk about Bhagavad Gita also. They talk about lot of Vedic scriptures about Indian culture and mix it up, with new technology and all. They give lot of good information in that
Yes.
Mind Valley. And
Yes. Yes.
uh, like law of attraction, there is a podcast about the law of attraction. Where they give about information about the manifestation and all. And other resources, uh, YouTube is a good resource where you can find, if you
And
click a word about the
have
mind while.
law of attraction, the channel
Mm,
itself.
yeah, there is a law of attraction channel. And about the Mind Valley also. Mind Valley, nowadays I feel there is lot of good information in that.
Yes.
They've even provide courses. So if the teenager really interested to deep dive into those information and all, they can join in that
Mm-hmm.
way also.
Mm.
So that's all. There are in YouTube, when you click about manifestation and law of attraction, you'll find n number of good informations. Don't take everything, but be specific on what you're searching also. So if you tell the teenager, tell the child that what topic you want to explore today, so let's search. You
Ah,
So we will
together.
explore. Let's explore in that way. So we will pick only one, not so
Mm.
many. We will pick only one. Let's take a time also. Tell them for 5 minutes we will just explore. What In that 5 minutes, if we find something good, the best one, we will go with that for today. Later on the next weekend, again we will search. So in that way, you'll not waste your time also.
Waste your time. Plus, every time you'll go deep in
Ah,
new topics.
yes.
So whether you, as a team, you are working, and
Hmm.
as a parents, because we also don't have so much knowledge. So
Hmm.
if we are watching with our kids, it will help us to know more about that particular topic or some information.
Hmm.
Some, yes, it is good. I watch in a Mind Valley. I think like last year, I watched one video related to a Japanese word arigato for
Hmm.
money transaction.
Okay.
So they
Huh.
say arigato, same thank, that means thank you.
Thank
If
you.
you are
Huh.
receiving or if you are paying, you should say thank you in a positive energy, so
Hmm.
that help to multiplies your money.
Hmm. Correct.
So,
It's a very good practice that it's called money circulation. So
hmm,
where you keep on circulating the money, money is an energy. It's like a water flow. It will keep on. It can't stay at one place for a long time. So that
hmm,
energy should keep on circulating. So
hmm,
when you're receiving money, we are very happy. So obviously the energy is high and happy, good energy we are creating. But the time when we are giving, don't feel bad. When you
hmm,
are releasing, then only someone else hunger or needy people are going to receive. At the same
Yes.
time, when you are receiving, means someone has released that energy, then only
Mm,
you are receiving. So in
yes.
that way, we have to keep on, whenever we are circulating, say thanks to the money,
Money.
whatever money, even though you're paying for any small thing you are paying. Roadside vendor also, if you are pani puri ka bhaiya ko pay kar rahe ho, then also you say,
Thank
don't, yeah, say thank you, no problem. When I have a habit of this, whenever I'm paying, nowadays we pay online most of the time, so whenever I'm paying, there is a note, we can keep a note there. So in that note, I'll say thank you money paid. I
you.
paid them, so thank you, money paid. So in that way, I keep on telling that simple word. Whenever
Mm,
I'm receiving, obviously my energy is happy. I'll tell thank you, I received it. But when you in giving back also, that if you want to hold that energy, don't want to circulate the money. Imagine someone else is also holding that money, your money. They are not giving you. How you will feel? So that's
yes.
why you should not give anything with negative energy. Receiving, we are happy. Giving, also we
Mm,
should be happy.
help.
Hmm.
So, how Saroja is managing his career as a dentist and as a manifestation coach? How you manage your day? So, we thought we talked about so much related to manifestation. We go deep down different types. How can we do that? Different strategies. How Saroja is managing family along with his career, along with his coaching career.
It is not so easy, definitely, because every field has its own challenges. But when we are taking up so many other challenges, because I love this, though it is a challenging, but still I love it because I want it in my life. So um, like, and of course it became a part of my life now. Morning, I'll finish my rituals of writing, journaling, goals and everything. So in case if I didn't finish, that gives me a lot of stress actually. Keep on thinking that I couldn't finish it off. But I also want to be easy on myself. It's okay if I couldn't finish today. It's make sure that tomorrow I'll make some more time, uh, like wake up early, little more early, or finish off some other work little bit early, so that I can spend enough time on my own self growth. When I am tired, I am restless, definitely I can't give the best to anyone.
Mhm.
I'll definitely will start shouting or giving negative energy to others also. Because मेरा काम नहीं हुआ, अभी तेरा काम कैसे करूं? Even though it as a mother, I have to take care. Then what, I can't keep on shouting to her. But I feel like ये जल्दी जल्दी कर दो. Then I'll start cooking it in a negative energy. That energy passes to my family obviously. So which I don't want. So in that way, I have to be very conscious planning my day. सुबह कौन से टाइम के उठना है, कौन से टाइम से कौन से टाइम तक मुझे मेरा रिचुअल्स करना है, मेरा मॉर्निंग वॉक करना है, कौन से टाइम पे खाना है, पहला कुछ मॉर्निंग जूस पीना है, तो ऑल दोस थिंग्स आई हैव अ सर्टेन schedule for my own. So in that way, before my child wake up, I finish my work so that I can give time to her before she go to school. And then I start to my clinic. I'll go there. I'll take care of my clinic. If there is any free time, definitely I'll focus on upgrading my knowledge and developing my courses and all. In that way, I utilize my time. There is no time pass in my life now. No time pass for no, there's no time to rest, of course. First of all, if there is a time, definitely I'll be very mindful, this is a time to rest. I'll not utilize it in a vague way that कुछ आज कुछ काम नहीं है, क्या करना है, क्या I don't waste in thinking,
Mm.
because already I have all those things packed up.
Backed up.
There's
Mm.
no time to think to how to waste the time. So that if we wake up little early in the morning, make a schedule that this is a perfect time that I can wake up and do my work, so that I can spend more time with my child. If I also wake up along with my child, there is no time left over for me to do my all rituals. So, and one thing is like, they involve them also in your work. When I'm writing my gratitude journal, I give one pen and paper to her. She will also keep on scribbling. so that she
Hmm.
don't disturb me. And it's
Hmm.
a practice that she is also practicing something good now. Having that fine motor skills and all, writing, she's practicing in that way. I If I go to walking, I'll also take her, because if I go, she'll be keep on crying at home, which I don't want to be happen. So, and ultimately that disturbs my routine, na? So I'll take her along with me. She will also have some fresh air in the morning. She's that's how I'm cultivating a good habit. Morning walk पे भी जा सकते हैं. So in that way, उसका भी काम हो जाए, मेरा भी काम हो जाए as a mother, and then I'll do my, after that, the clinic work and all. So this is how it is juggling, but still I manage. It's manageable. There's
So,
nothing impossible. It's manageable now.
okay. Saroja, you told about your morning rituals. Okay. If
Hmm.
a person is not able to do the affirmations, the gratitude, or anything in the morning, can he
Hmm.
do whenever he or she has a time, afternoon, or anything, any time, or the morning is the best or the only time?
Now, morning is the best, of course, but see, there is a rhythm in our body.
Mm-hmm.
एक टाइम पे हमें भूख लगता है, एक टाइम पे हमें सोना है, नींद आता है। तो एक टाइम पे हम बहुत एक्टिव होते हैं, एक टाइम पे हम बहुत लो होते हैं। तो इट्स अ इट्स अ पार्ट ऑफ आवर बॉडी दैट एक रिदम पे चलता है।
Mm-hmm.
सो नॉट टू डिस्टर्ब द रिदम, मॉर्निंग उठना है, रात को सोना है, बिकॉज वी आर नॉट नॉक्टर्नल एनिमल्स। रात को जागने वाला एनिमल्स नहीं है हम लोग, सुबह उठ के काम करने वाला एनिमल्स। सो देन if you wake up in the morning little early, see, some people wake up at 3 o'clock, some people wake up at 5 o'clock, according to their sleep cycle and their work and all, they'll adjust that time. So in that same way, if someone really want to manifest, someone really want to achieve something, you have to work hard. There is no shortcut for it. So for that reason, we need to schedule, like if it is really impossible, do you think like anything in this world is really impossible? No, right? It can be possible. With small adjustment, it can be possible. Say, if a mother wants to do, but she is not able to manage her work, child, and household work and all. So just all those affirmations, one morning or night, sit down and record all your positive affirmations, your
Mm-hmm.
gratitude, keep that recording behind besides your in the kitchen, and keep on listening to it and do your work.
Okay.
सब्जी काट रहे हो, खाना बना रहे हो, anything. So in that way you are doing both.
Hmm.
It's not multitasking, but still you can manage it slowly when your mind is all these practices, they will tell you that slowly adjust your time. It will happen. I used to do this thing. I also feel like there is no time for me to do all these practices. So how come I did is like I was doing some multitasking in between, but later on I understood uh, multitasking sometimes it's worth, but being mindful is more important. सो लेट मी टेक सम टाइम, जल
Hmm.
रात को जल्दी सो जाए, थोड़ा जल्दी काम खत्म करके, एंड देन वेक अप लिटिल अर्ली सो दैट नो वन विल डिस्टर्ब यू। फास्ट हो
Hmm.
जाएगा, व्हेन देयर इज नो ट्रैफिक यू कैन रीच द डेस्टिनेशन फास्टर। व्हेन
Fast.
देयर इज लॉट ऑफ ट्रैफिक, 10 बजे को ही निकलना है, तो कैसे अटक जाएंगे ना बीच में। So make it sure like you adjust your time. Or manifestation energy have from that before sunrise, Brahma Muhurat time, that have a lot of power. You will be straight directly connected with the divine power. So it will give
Okay.
lot of good ideas. The goals will keep on changing, so that goals also, that ideas we have to get ना, what goal चाहिए। सबको कार नहीं चाहिए, सबको बंगला नहीं चाहिए, we have our own purpose. So वो idea आने के लिए we have to have the divine connection also. So
Mm-hmm.
specific time, or else you practice after everyone has slept. Nowadays no one sleeps before 12 most of the time. So that time and all are very distracting. कोई टीवी देख रहा होगा, कोई सो नहीं रहा, कहीं बात कर रहा है, या मतलब there is a lot of disturbance. In case if you have an environment where people go to sleep by 9 or 10, after 10 you have a lot of good time, 10 to 12 o'clock in the night. I don't encourage this time, but still, when it is not possible in the morning, at least this time you utilize without distraction, keep writing your goals, think about what you want, and all that will give you slowly you will rhythm, that circadian rhythm will adjust to your uh, like your daily routine.
Daily routine.
Hmm.
Okay. So morning is the best time, but if it is not possible, go for like audio, or you can say that, and all you have to do is you have to do in a very calm area when you can focus while writing, while
Hmm.
thinking, or while visualizing about your goals and everything.
Yes.
Okay.
just just
That is.
keep on writing doesn't mean, right, but you need to also your eyes will look into the words you are writing. It has to be going into your mind and thoughts. They should understand. just
Mhm.
पीछे का पेज देख के लास्ट कल क्या लिखा वही हम लिखते रहेंगे तो that doesn't give any good result. So
Ah,
you need to have कोई पूछेगा तेरा गोल क्या है, अरे डायरी घर पे भूल गया, you can't say that because everything is in diary. No,
hmm,
it should be in your mind.
it should be
When
in.
we have a when we have a good time to focus on that, we'll obviously remember.
Mm-hmm.
There is a difference now. Mug up, we are mug upping and we remember. There a lot of difference. One day we will forget about whatever we have mugged up, but we remember the concept. If we remember the concept, anytime you can write it.
Yes,
So
true,
that's
true.
how.
That's how. Okay. And any one advice that you received, any good advice, and any advice that you don't want to follow, that you received
So
till
I'm a person like I follow my heart, of course. Whatever I have at a very young age, I got this thought in my mind that whatever I do, whether it is good or bad, let it be on my choice
now? Mm-hmm.
because I don't want to blame others.
Mm-hmm.
um, my father used to give me an opportunity in this way, like I used to ask him कौन सा ड्रेस अच्छा है, ये वाला लूं या ये वाला, because I used to always stuck in two choices. नहीं तो मुझे दोनों चाहिए, दोनों नहीं खरीद रहे तो मुझे एटलीस्ट एक का बताओ कौन सा
Mm-hmm.
अच्छा है. In that also I used to choose, of course that's another thing. But uh, choosing part which one to go, in that way my father used to say, this is what you are going to wear, then
Mm-hmm.
you choose it na. Why you
Yes.
asking me? If you don't like, later on you will ask me again. आपने ही बोला है. So no, no, you take care of that. These are very simple things in life, you take care of that. So there itself my mind, that sort of a mindset I have developed. Whatever thing I do, whether I fell down, I get hurt also, it's my choice, so I no need to blame others because I
Mm-hmm.
have chosen that path. If I go forward and win and achieve something, that's also my part because I have chosen it. So I don't want to depend on others ideas in my life because I strongly believe that God has given me my own brain, which I which I should utilize and I should think.
Okay. Yes. Why should
Guide.
I? Why should I create dependency on others?
We can take guidance sometimes, not wrong thing, but why can't we think by our own? You see, there is a big thing like we keep on blaming others. आपने बोला था इसलिए मैंने ये चूज किया, बल्कि मुझे पसंद नहीं था तब भी आपके लिए मैंने चूज किया. We don't want to hear this from teenagers now. Um, so that's
Yeah.
why we have to have our own choices. Let it be wrong, it's a process, life is a process. We can guide. If you know, as a parent you know that there is something wrong is going to happen, then you don't encourage, of course. But
Mm-hmm.
if there is no problem if he choose this path or other path, let them choose, not a problem. So that is how uh, I strongly believe that I don't depend on others for my life.
Mm.
At least for thinking, it's free na. At least I can think. I'll not I'll ask, of course, if, is it good or good idea or not, but till that only, but the final decision is mine.
Yes. My-
Huh. So
yes.
that is one thing I strongly feel. I don't give my life to others to choose whatever they want.
Okay. And the last question, how someone can connect with you?
So, like, I have my Instagram and Facebook and WhatsApp also. I'll be available if someone want to connect with me. It's called I Manifest. I Manifest with my name, Dr. Saroja Anand. So they can connect with me, DM me whatever they want,
Mm.
any question. If they have any doubt in manifestation, I can help them. It's good that from the teenage itself, if we are inculcating that good habit, they'll have a lot of em- power within themselves. There's no
Mm.
requirement of later on for the life coaches and all. They,
Mm.
from now itself, they have that strong feeling. How I said, they will be one step ahead than their batchmates, definitely, when they work on their mindset. And with this manifestation power, it's not anything jadoo, like not like a magic. Of course, it's a sort of a magic, but it's not like a soch liya to ho jayega kya. No, it is happening because of his strong will,
Mm.
strong intention, and that power of manifestation. So the you audience can connect with me in Instagram, through Instagram, and through Instagram you can find me through WhatsApp and all. Can directly talk to me, no other third person in between. You can directly connect with me. Any doubts I can clarify. If they want any one-on-one sessions, or for teenagers or the parents, I can help them. I'll mostly take females, mothers. It will help. If the mother is strong, it will help the child also. So the
True.
environment at home will be very strong with that power. So it is free, the universe has given everything to us, but we are complicating. So that small knowledge I'll be sharing with them.
Mhm. And what's your upcoming projects? What
So
you are working?
I'm mostly concentrating on one-on-one sessions, so that
Mhm.
they'll get best of me, best, because everyone has a unique problem. Their goals are different, their targets are different. So whatever they are coming with, I'll be providing them with the hand holding, and
Mhm.
I'll provide a customized schedule and plan for them to work on. In that
Mhm.
program timing, I'll be taking care of how the progress is, how, what are the steps to be included with that progress and all. I'll give them a planning, so that
Okay.
it's like a someone, some dietitian is giving them a specific diet plan.
Spec- ah,
uh, so
Specialized for
specialized program for the individual. So it can
okay.
be anyone, like mothers, teenagers, anyone. I'd be happy to serve them.
Okay. Thank you, Dr. Saroja. You shared so much knowledge related to manifestation. I have some doubts. I asked you some common doubts. You shared so much easy techniques so that a person can manifest in their life, along with the positive mindset, along with visualization, affirmation, gratitude, so many things. It will help to gain the knowledge, gain the success in their life. And I'm so grateful you come to my show, share all these details. Please, everyone, if you have any sort of uh, confusion related to manifestation, any sort of confusion how your success, you can achieve that success, please contact Dr. Saroja. This is her Instagram handle, this is her Facebook handle. And if you are not able to connect anywhere, this is my handle. You can connect with me, DM me. I'll forward your query to Dr. Saroja. But in Instagram itself, you will have the link. You can connect with her as well. So thank you, Dr. Saroja, for this amazing session. We talked almost 1.5 hours. We are talking right now. And yes, you shared so much knowledge related to manifestation, and it is not very hard actually.
Hmm.
We think it is hard to manifest because of our beliefs, negative beliefs, self doubt, but you make it so easy that anyone can do it, anyone can achieve whatever they want. Just have to be aware about your thoughts. What do you want in life? Why do you want in life? And what will you do after you will achieve that?
Hmm.
Once you done with all these part, they are good to go for manifesting.
Yes, it's very easy when you do it in a very young age itself. If don't wait for the time. Like as I told, I'm a sort of with a spiritual background. So there we talk about like bhakti is not related to age.
Age.
Devotion or spirituality is not depend upon the age. At the same time, if you want to achieve something, don't wait for the certain age to come and then you realize and then ये पहले से ही करना था. अभी आईआईटी का प्रिपरेशन स्कूल में से ही देते हैं, कोडिंग का स्कूल में ही सिखाते हैं. Why? Because they want to be ahead, so that with the new technology and all be on like on track for the. So it's never ever too early or too late to learn something new in your life. So anytime anyone can connect with me so I can help them. It's very easy process, but once you know uh, the core knowledge about it, it's very easy and you can start implementing in your life and start spreading about this knowledge to others. So it's the secret is nowhere no more a secret to anyone. It's a universal law that law of attraction is for everyone. But if you know it, you can utilize it. If you are not aware, it's little difficult.
You just have to apply with full surrender and faith
Hmm.
towards universe or toward whatever you are thinking of.
Huh.
So thank you, Dr. Soroja, once again for coming this show. I hope you are doing in future itself. You are helping so many person in their journey, in their mental problem. You are also doing that. So you are managing two professions at the same time, and you are doing a great job, bulky an awesome job, because you are helping, you are serving in so many ways to the society. So thank you, Saroja, once again. And I hope you'll sooner you get whatever you are manifesting in your life.
Yes. Yes, definitely. And thank you so much. Thank you for inviting me. And it's like a very, there is no rush in telling everything. But peacefully, we had this conversation. So thank you so much.
Okay, everyone, see you, take care, and bye bye.
Bye.